I'm here today with CEO of NCCER, Boyd Worsham. We're at the National Leadership and Skills Conference for Skills USA, and we've been talking a little bit today about certifications and credentials and the importance of those for young people getting into industry.
Well, at NCCER, we feel and know that certifications are critical. Certifications matter, right? Especially in the welding field, I think they're equally as important. You're going to get a credential or a certification for a weld procedure, a type of weld. But the credential we offer is a certification that you understand the principles of and you have the foundational knowledge of welding so that you can apply it when you go for those certifications for the different welding procedures. So we think at NCCER, credentials matter and they matter in our industry. We hear it from CEOs, we hear it from workforce development professionals. Certifications matter, and we appreciate y'all's attention to that.
Yeah, and in the welding industry, of course, we're going to have to take that weld test again. But by having that on your resume ahead of time from an accredited testing facility and whatnot, that's going to get you that call first. Those HR reps are looking to take less of a chance on some new guys they're hiring in. With the blue card, that's going to be your course specific. Lots of companies and contractors. As a matter of fact, that's how NCCER started, was from big companies like Bechtel, Fluor, et cetera, pouring into needing a standardized nationwide credential that meant the same thing. So a welder level 1 in California is the same thing as a welder level 1 in Maine, Florida, Texas.
Absolutely, that standardization is absolutely what we're founded on. And it was founded by major contractors in this country, so it's by industry, for industry. And you're right, they're gonna have to take a specific weld test later, but to pass that weld test, you have the foundational knowledge that that credential supports and proves to be able to take those different weld tests and be able to get those different certifications in that way. So yeah, NCCER is founded by contractors large and small and supported by thousands and thousands of contractors because we provide a credential that is transportable, is standardized, and is the same anywhere you go. As you said, Robert, that's what we're based on, and that's what makes our material matter more than many others.
Boyd Worsham here with CEO of NCCER. You young people, get involved, get your curriculum, get them standardized, get your NCCER blue cards, and that'll help get you a jump start into industry.
Absolutely. Thank you, Robert.
Thank
Pleasure
you, sir.
speaking with you.
Appreciate you.